Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn how to make a design using Tkinter in Python. Okay, so basically first I'm going to import Tkinter and I'm going to make a new window. So I'm going to say root is equal to tk. I'm going to say root.main loop. I'm also going to say root.geometry 500x400. So I'm gonna make a button. So I'm gonna name it btn. It's gonna be button root. So it's gonna be in the root. btn.pack. Now if I save it, so does that. So as you can see, the button doesn't really look that great. So on this btn, so I'm gonna import this other library which I wrote. So from this GUI imports everything. So I'm gonna change this btn to the modern button. That's in this GUI. So now it makes the button look a little bit better. So in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to make something like this. And when you make something like this, you'll be able to apply it to all elements, I guess. Okay, so now let me just remove this EastGUI imports because we don't really need it. Okay, so button, let's just say root, and text is equal to btn. Okay, so and we're also gonna make path x be equal to like 40, path y to be equal to like 20. So now we're gonna add this closing bracket. We're gonna save it. So now, so we just change this to path x and path y without the underscores. So now you can see that the button has become bigger. Also, I'm probably gonna increase the path x to like 60. Okay, so does it say border width equals 0? If I save it and I run this, see, yeah, there's no border. So the background is like that. Okay, so next we're gonna write bg is equal to 22222, which is a color, which is like dark gray, I guess. So now we can't see the text, but when we hover over it, it turns white again. But we're gonna fix that in a bit. So allow us to BG. I can change the FG to FFFFFF, which is completely white. Now if I change this Python to you can see that's like that. But when we hover over it, it turns back to normal. If you don't want that, then so if you don't want that, then you could just use the active background and set it to like 333, just closer to white, and active foreground, which is gonna be FFFFFF, the same So now if I save this bean.py and if I run it, so I'm gonna change this file. I'm just gonna remove this semicolon, this underscore. So now if we hover over it, looks like that. So that's pretty much it. But okay, actually it's not. It's got out of font. So I'm gonna say f is equal to font none 40. So here I'm gonna say font is equal to f. So I'm gonna say from Tkinter dot font import font. So instead of doing that, just gonna have to say font. So now if I go here, see that the font just became bigger. So let's just make it a little bit more bigger. So I'm gonna change it from 40 to like, I don't know, 60. So now if I just main.py, I don't know, looks like that, I guess. Okay, so yeah, that's how to do the button. Okay, so let me just create a label as well. I'm gonna say label is equal to label. I'm gonna give it the same styles. Root text is equal to label. I'm also gonna add padding X and padding Y. Okay, only padding Y, to separate it from the button. And yeah, it doesn't have a foreground that's not completely black, like 444. And the font would be the same F. So gonna have the same F font, and that's about it. But yeah, we also have to add label.pack. So it's gonna put the label onto the screen. Oh yeah, the variable is called lab, not labels. So let's just gotta change that. So now, if we go to this main.py, you can see that as a label. It has the same font as the BTN and also slightly gray. So yeah, that's how to style stuff. That's how to design stuff in Tkinter. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. So bye.